Made it to San Francisco. It is 9:45 in the morning. The place I'm going to opens at 10 for members, so I'm here just a little bit early. Traffic was way smoother than I thought it would be. The Cal Academy in San Francisco, and it's kind of a gorgeous day, so I may not spend the whole time in here. I may walk around.
Yeah, he does.
I feel like it was just last month that I was looking at another dinosaur. The centerpiece for this whole museum is this. It's a rainforest and a giant glass dome bubble sphere type of thing. Basically, they built a rainforest inside of a building inside of the middle of San Francisco. And it's hot, hence the short sleeve shirt, because I'm already sweating. And slowly we spiral our way to the top of the rainforest. And there's birds and butterflies everywhere in here. Now that we've reached the top of the rainforest, there's nothing to do except go down and underwater. Isn't this so cool? the coolest place. I mean, we got a jelly tank. Right in the middle of everything. Like, I don't know, 50, 60 jellies and they change color. Magic. One of my favorite fish, if you can call it a fish. The sea dragon. We've reached the grand pinnacle of the underwater portion. Coral reefs of the world. I mean, just look how impressive that little thing is. Wasn't this worth the wait? I mean, there's a second one. That's kind of cool. See, this is so impressive. Except this is the real impressive part. The whole wall is glass. Going up the upstairs, we're going to see something awesome. So you're going to have to wait until next video to see that. Take care.